Hello, today I'm going to show you how to wear suspenders. Yeah, if your pants are going down because you are so skinny or you're so thin because you lost a lot of weight because this is better for your body shape and your health status, then of course you can buy a new trousers, new stuff, new pants and something else, or you use this. A belt, of course, is possible, or these suspenders. A suspender are possible to get in Y shape, in H shape, or directly shape as well. In this case, we have a Y shape suspenders here. How we perform them? On both sides. This is for the back side, because these suspenders are Y shaped. That means one area which is coming on the back side of your pants down on it and clamped there is possible. And the others on the front side are both two bands. So that means we are now know which is on the front side and which is on the back side of your body. Okay, let's start in the back side. We are going to rotate, and we know this is the back side because of the Y shape, and there are clips. These clips we can open and close, yeah? And we clamp them to our trousers there. Okay, let's perform this now. Come a little bit closer to my back side here. And now we start. We're going here, come over there. Here's the center area. And of course now, I have to look a little bit. I clamp it over there. Here we are, clamp it over there. And here's the side. This is the other side. Side more. Here we are. Now, yeah, we clamped it over. And now we are going from the back side over our shoulders to the front side. Here we are. Let's perform this. Come here. Go to the front side. Over there. Let's have a look. And now you can see there are two areas. Yeah, and these two areas we are now clamping to our pants on the front side. Okay, here. This is necessary to perform this on both sides here. And we clamp it over there and there. We clamp it over here. Nearly. You can choose what's your favorite area you like to clamp. Of course, you can go a little bit to the center area position, or you can go a little bit in the outer side position. And now you see, just then, the suspenders are attached to your body. If there is too much length, you can adjust this length by using the unlock position over there, and then you can make it a little bit harder or softer in the setup. You can go up or down with that. And of course, you have to perform this on both sides at the same area. So, and now. So, here we see, now the suspenders are ready to wear all day long. And if they are attached to your body, to your trousers and something else, you can easily make a comeback thing. That means you do not have to perform this every day again. No. You go, lift them down, remove your stuff from your body. Maybe the next time you come enter the pants again and go back with your suspenders in position. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.